An example of where we think a company is not pricing in future growth would be Kelly Partners. Kelly Partners, again, an IPO a few months ago. It's a company that when it came to market, the management still owns more than half of the business. They raised a very small amount of capital and they didn't actually sell any of the capital themselves. It was all growth capital in the business. Now, the management team that we've been spending time with are incredibly impressive, very driven and have a clear strategy. They didn't come to market to manage a business they're managing at the moment. They came to manage a business multiples the size of where it is. What the market's doing at the moment, though, is valuing this business, which is an accounting business at its core, valuing it on its accounting earnings at the moment without truly acknowledging the strategic vision of the management and where they're looking to take it. I think if you look at the company now, they own 15 odd accounting firms, basically geographically focused in Sydney. Yet they do this in these geographic clusters because there's a lot of benefit to that in terms of advertising and branding. Once you see them move into a new region, which will happen through acquisition, and by the way, their acquisition strategy is extremely disciplined, so don't be scared off about consolidators of the past. In fact, when we were going to look at this company, my business partner said, I've got an accounting consolidator for you to meet, and I almost refused the meeting. But having spent time with management, we thought, okay, definitely do a bit more digging on this one. So this is, again, a company that's under 100 million in market cap, and we think it can, in 3 or 4 years' time, it can be 5 times the size by expanding its network and ancillary services around it. It won't look like an accounting practice in a few years' time. It'll look like a true financial services business with everything from accounting, wealth management, and even funds management.